Racing just started with break quickly restored Sunday Surprise Premier Dancer in between horses running by the release tipping point, then next on Ladies Gifted Paul, then followed now by Virgin Victoria, while Lunata Park is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Sunday Surprise Premier Dancer in between horses, rushing up now at the outside is to take the lead, and in fourth comes Tipping Point, then next on Lenny's Gifted Paul, Virgin Victoria, while Lunata Park is still racing in less inside the 3 octavo. Now we have Tipping Point now takes command by Orlink, moving up Arias, that is and in third comes Sunday Surprise, moving up his Premier Dancer, then next on Lenny's Gifted Paul, moving up his Virgin Victoria and Lunata Park, and they are now entering the home stretch. Premier Dancer now takes command, Tipping Point is on the outside, last 100 meters, we have Premier Dancer by about 2 lengths over Tipping Point, and finally is Premier Dancer Tipping Point, then comes Gifted Paul.
Alright, number 5, Premier Dancer, crossing the wire first, run by apprentice Mark M. Gonzalez. Talagang mainam na ito, itong apprentice na to. Then masisigun ba number 6, Tipping Point, then Gifted Paul. Panarin natin, replay.